This is a waterfall and stream in Moana Estates with the lights on. It's kind of, the sun's almost setting so I can see it. Number one and number two. By the house, you'll recognize where we are. So it's twilight now, so the lights don't go, but you can get you get a bit of an idea what they're like and how the stream is. I did a stream here because we had more room. And the planting areas, you can see where the cinder is left, right. There's about 4 planting areas there on this feature. And this one also has about 4 or 5. We've got on the left, the top, down, and I built a couple little tiers with some more. So a lot of vegetation to give it kind of a greenish, more healthy look. As you already have some plants back here, but I think that will dress them up.